Hello everyone. So you would like to have lens added to your deck based off of the colors that your deck is made of. So for example, if in this case it's blue, you would like 16 blue lands. Now let's try. For example, you are making your deck and you would like automatically the lands to be suggested for you to be all blue or proportional based on the colors that you have. If you have half the deck blue, half the deck red, the land suggested you want that to be half blue, half red, of course, 50-50. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is to go on the land side, and here you can choose all the lands you want manually. If you want to choose the details here, of course, you can do this. But to do and have the lands automatically suggested, you have to click here. The lands suggested are going to be based usually until you fill the deck on 24 lands, and I think that is the standard. I'm not sure about it, not 100%, but this is it. This is how you fill your deck with lands automatically, basic lands automatically, and you get the suggested lands. If you want to turn it off, you can add and modify lands manually. This will turn it off, and you can turn it back on by clicking. Turning it on will not remove your lands, only add lands. And that is it. That is how you turn back on lands automatically and turn it off if you want. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.